Welcome back everybody to the shop. Today we are putting on the tow rod from BMR. Um, we got them right here. These are going to give easier adjustment, more adjustment. These are way more heavy duty, spherical bearings on the ends. And there is these lockout plates that no longer let you adjust in the original spot. This is the regular adjustment for toe with this cam bolt or cam washer, and obviously the egg shape pushes it in and out. So what I did here is I measured from this point to right here. They show you like putting this here and this and like make it the same length and then put it on. But if you want it exactly where it was, all you got to do is measure where this is sitting from here. So as an example, so here's your like cam bolt. You measure from here to here, I get 10 and 9/16. Okay, because this is slotted. Now, if you make this bar the same length as the new one exactly, and you don't put it in the right spot here with those lockouts, it's gonna be way off. So if you want it in the exact same spot that you had it before without getting an alignment, you're gonna just measure from there because that's a solid piece, and this is gonna move in and out depending on the slot here. So when you're done, as long as it's at the same spot, you're gonna be good to go. So I already did this side. This was 10 and a half. So I'm measuring from here to here, and that's where it's at now. So I just have to lock these in. I'm still taking it to get aligned, but if you were to match this measurement with the lockouts installed, you're going to be in the exact same spot you were before. So do not match this to the old one and then put it in here, because like you could eliminate needing an alignment doing it this way. So the stock rod has the nut is part of the arm. And then now we're just going to take this back bolt out and that'll drop out. So I had to get a breaker bar to get the nut loose, but other than that, it's going to come right out. So as you can see, there's the slots. So if you just make that rod the same length, of course the alignment's going to be off. All right, so you want the longer one facing the front. For some reason, this doesn't want to go. Precision fit. The bolt was like a perfect fit now. So these there's two little bumps, one here and one here, and you want this square sitting in the middle on both sides, and then you can put your nut on there. All right, so now it comes to adjusting this. And this was a 10 and 9/16. 7.5. And that's right where it was. So then I can just lock these nuts down and it should be really close to where it was. So these were super easy to do. Also on the other ones, they put the little welded gussets on the top. So that's where I'm putting them. These are back to where they were originally. These bolts on the ends on the outside are shorter than the inside, so just make sure you put the longer bolts on the inside, and you want the longer spacer towards the front. But that's all there is to it. This actually was very easy. It would have been a lot quicker had I not tried to record it, but that's that. So the big plan is to get this thing aligned tomorrow. So I'm putting the stock wheels and tires on it. That way they can hook their machine up better, and then I'll just switch back to the welds when they're done. But that's all I got with this for now, and please hit that like and subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.